Now for the second question here, we are told to find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots of this equation. Now if you look at this is like 3x squared equals to x plus 1. But remember I told you that the sum of roots is usually in form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have to put this like that. So in other words, when we have 3x, we will rearrange. We are going to rearrange it. We'll take this x to this side of the equation. So plus x becomes minus x when it comes to this, when it crosses the equals to sign, and we'll take plus 1 to this side of the equation, and plus 1 when it crosses becomes negative 1. So at the end of the day, you have equal to 0. So you see, we've been able to arrange it as 3x squared minus x minus 1 equals to 0. Now having done this, all we need to do now is identify the a, b, and c. That's the coefficient of x squared, coefficient of x, and coefficient of minus 1. Now we know, of course, that a here is 3, b is negative 1, and c is negative 1. So how do we know that? Like I said before, this is a, the b is this negative, this one, the coefficient of x here, which is this negative 1, and c is just this negative 1 itself. Remember, c is the constant, while b is the coefficient of x, which is negative, and there's nothing there. I thought when there's nothing there is negative 1, and then a is 3. Okay, now having done this, the next thing is just to go ahead to solve the sum of roots and product of roots. Now remember, we said the sum of roots is alpha plus beta will give you negative b over a. And what is negative b? Negative b is negative bracket. There's a negative here already. Negative bracket, b is negative 1, then all over a is 3. So all we need to do, simple arithmetic, we solve this. Negative times negative 1 is minus 1, is plus 1. Plus 1 over 3 is positive 1. Positive 1 over 3 is 1 over 3. So the answer is, just simple arithmetic. Now for the product, of the roots, that will be alpha beta. Alpha beta gives you c over a. Now what is c? C is negative 1, like we've identified there, over a is 3. So this is just simply negative 1 over 3. So that's what it is for this. Thank you.